This is the all-in-one CRM section that we're going to be looking at and really understanding how SAM is going to be able to help your business. Now, before we get diving into it, it's worth noting again, we are an all-in-one CRM for real estate agents, but we are built from the ground up using AI. So what that means is that each and every step in the process, I ask the question, how will this AI piece help you in your real estate business be successful? Now, unfortunately, in our industry, AI is kind of a marketing term. And so you see a lot of systems that for the last 20 or 30 years have kind of been operating as digital Rolodexes. Like they were from the 1960s, the physical Rolodex that was moved in the 1990s by Salesforce into a digital system. And then nothing really advanced past that. They've just stored and held on to data. Well, other than modern workflow automations, we haven't really seen any advancements. And so building SAM using AI and thinking about it from a ground up, we've actually fundamentally shifted how we think about a real estate CRM. And this is going to be the first of many areas in which you are going to get to see that.